So today I wanted to talk about economics of soil health. Had a meeting about it here earlier today, but wanted to preface that just by saying just be careful while you're out in the fields here this winter, this fall. Just got back from a baler fire. Guy was baling corn stalks and caught on fire. Everyone's safe, no big deal, but got to see quite the bonfire here today. But just be careful to everyone while you're out there and keep yourself safe. Wanted to talk, like I said, about the economics of soil health. There's multiple different groups that are working on it, that are talking about it, but nothing's really coming together quite yet. How do we put a connection and a direct correlation between soil health and your bottom line? End of the year, what are you taking back to the bank? And for the most part, how do you keep your banker happy? Is where we're looking right now. And how do we get out of this? How do you take the economics into your own hands? To me, it's a couple different things. So number one, we're looking at farm valuation based on soil health. So that's where we utilize our universal soil evaluation, get a very thorough assessment of the farm, and utilize that at the time of sale so that the buyer of land actually knows what they're buying. And then while you're getting there, while you're moving to that time of sale or just improving the value of that piece of farm ground overall, now we've got a target to manage for, a target to fertilize for, a target to deploy management practices, so that way we can improve these parameters and sell that farm for the optimal dollar when that time is right. I think the other really important piece on evaluating the economics of soil health is these emerging food markets for sustainable food, for food that is produced in a better manner. And where I think it really gets interesting is by connecting the consumer to the soil that is producing their food, not just because of the way that it's produced or the label that's on it, that it's organic or it's sustainable or grass-fed or whatever, that's fine, but what is behind that? How is this farm actually improving nutrient density of the soil being translated into the crop? How's this farm improving carbon sequestration out of the atmosphere and improving environmental properties and carbon footprint? How's this farm improving nutrient efficiency, thus improving water quality? Those kind of things do have some economic value to them. The most important one being producing a better quality, healthier crop to feed to your families that gives you a healthier lifestyle, keeps you healthier so you don't get sick, you don't have to spend money on medicine, at the doctor, on chronic illness, and are able to invest in good quality food produced on good quality soil. That's how we get the economics of soil health to work.